Dree-ukh-tool is she-ohg. Hi, I'm she-ohg from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to say fairy door in Irish. A fairy door is a miniature door that's placed at the foot of a tree or at the base of a wall. These days it's quite popular in Ireland, especially for children, where children can leave notes or sweets for their fairy friends. Doras na she-ohg. Doras na she-ohg. Fairy door. Doras na she-ohg. Doras means door, Doras, and she-ohg means fairy, she-ohg. Now, let's make a sentence from this phrase. Tá doras na she-ohg draíochtúil. The fairy door is magical. Tá doras na she-ohg draíochtúil. Tá doras na she-ohg draíochtúil. Repeat after me. Tá doras na she-ohg draíochtúil. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.